a young Nigerian working so hard, but you have no idea how you can invest your money to make consistent passive income, this video was made specifically for you. You see this passive income or this money you make even while you sleep, it is not hard to achieve. It is very easy, especially if you know what to invest your money in and the right strategies to invest to make consistent income with your investment. That is why in this video I'm going to be sharing at least 3 of these investments you can start with 2 million naira and make consistent passive income from. I so much love number 3 because it is very easy to do, and this one will be giving you daily and monthly income. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. I'm going to be explaining exactly how all of these investments work and how you can start it if you want to start investing today. Okay, now let's get into it. But before we do, introduction. My name is Josie Nadi and I am an investment strategist. I help you plan and execute your investments in a way that is beneficial and specific to you and helps you make consistent income from that investment. So you can call me your investment buddy, because if you meet me before investing, you are going to be smiling to the bank every single time from your investment. That is why in this community we are all about passive income, how you can make your money work for you and make you more money without you spending your time, your energy, your effort. So if that interests you, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and join this beautiful community. Let's get into the video of the day. There are 3 investments you can start with 2 million naira and make consistent monthly income from. Number 1 is high yield agricultural investment. There are 2 ways you can make money from this particular kind of investment. You can either own multiple farms that you can plant different varieties of crops in, or have people plant different varieties of crops in them for you in both rainy season and dry season, so that in either of these seasons you're going to always be harvesting, processing and selling your farm produce. Or you can start renting ready to harvest farms. This one is the most easiest one you can start doing. There are people that love agriculture, they thrive in agriculture. In fact, they are professional farmers, so they plant both in season and out of season. So you can start renting some of these farms because they love it when people come and pay them in bulk, so they don't have to do the hard work of harvesting, processing and then selling their farm produce before they make money. So you can start by renting those kind of farm and have people go into that farm, harvest, process, sell and give you the profit from the produce of your farm. So you can either start doing this by yourself or invest in agro businesses that do this, because there are agro businesses that their job is just to rent farm, have laborers go into that farm, harvest the farm, process it and sell, and they make their money. So you can either invest in this kind of businesses and you will be making consistent monthly income from agriculture. This one is very easy and very sweet, because you don't have to plant anything, you don't have to wait for anything to germinate and for you to even know if it will do well or not before you harvest it and process it. No, you don't have to do any of those things. Your own is to make sure you rent farms consistently so that you will always have turnover of profits every single time. If you start doing this particular investment, you will so enjoy it. This particular investment can be giving you at least between 6 to 7 figures depending on how much you invest. But if you start with 2 million naira, you'll be making at least consistent 6 figures from this particular investment. Number 2 is for you to be a silent investor in a high demand business. There are 2 ways you can do this. You can either provide the structure for a high demand business and then have people manage it for you while you know what is happening in that business from the back end every single time. Don't worry, I will explain with example how you can do this, okay? Or you can go to someone that is already doing the high in demand business that needs capital, invest in the business as an angel investor or a silent investor and make consistent income from the profits from that investment. Of course, like I said, it's going to be a high demand business, so there is a tendency of you making even much more profits every single time. If you want to start this particular kind of investment by providing the structure that is needed for this particular high in demand business, everything that is needed, the shop, the equipment and all that, and then have someone manage it for you, this is exactly how you can do it and make sure you don't lose money or have people mismanage your business. You can start with a business you can do from anywhere in the world, a business you can control the payment route and also the delivery of the business from anywhere in the world, or you can see what is happening in the back end of your business. Example, you starting a laundry business like this, opening the shop, putting the washing machine, and then have someone be the person that wash, that you pay salary, and another person that is the manager of the business, someone that can be your eyes and ears in that particular business, especially if you are not inside. The best way to do this, to make sure you know what is happening in your business based on the monetary aspect, is for you to have a platform where people book, and also they can track the process of their delivery of the service, and they are paying based on subscription basis. With this, you can track how many people subscribe to your services every month, how fast is the delivery, and all that. If there is need for you to improve anything, you will also know, because if they are booking online, that means they can also drop reviews online on what you can do better in your business. With this, you can monitor what is happening in your business from anywhere in the world. Plus, you having a trustworthy manager, someone that has a reputation to protect, to manage your business, and also give you physical report of what happens in your business. Then the second one, which is easier, is for you to just go and invest in someone that is already doing this business. Like, this person has already started this business and needs capital. Like, if they have capital, they can scale up the business or do even more profits in this business. You can literally just go and invest in that particular kind of business, have a contract on the particular percentage of profits that is going to be shared, how it's going to be shared, and also document, let it be a legal documentation, so that everybody knows their responsibility, and also the precautions if you don't fulfill your own responsibility. This way, you can just have your money working for you. No need for stress, no need for you to be checking what is happening in your business. If you have the physical store and all of that, you literally just invested in another person and making money even while you sleep, without your time, without your energy, without your effort. Hope you understand this. Number three, like this video. Yes, like this video. If you watch up to this moment and you've enjoyed, you've gotten some value from this video, help me and click the like button. See, when you do this, you're not the only one that is asking for this solution. What can I invest my 2 million naira in to make consistent income? There are a lot of people that are asking this particular question. And when you like this video has a tendency of getting to them. And of course, you're not just helping yourself, you're also helping another person get out of the rat race. So help me and like this video, okay? Thank you very much if you've done that. All right, let's continue. The final investment you can start with 2 million naira is the short-leg business. Yes, the short-leg business. You can start with 2 million naira, and I'm going to show you how. This is so sweet and so simple. And the best part is that you are going to be making consistent daily income from it. So there are two ways you can start the short-leg business. It's either you own apartments or you lease apartment. Owning apartments will cost you more money, of course, because you are owning it completely, and you want to own in a high in demand area that people always book in. And for you to do that, of course, you will need more than 70 million naira. But leasing the apartment is much more affordable. With between 14 to 20 million naira, you can lease a short-let apartment and start making daily income from that apartment. Now, the trick for you to start enjoying passive income from this particular investment with just 2 million naira is to co-own with other people. Imagine like 7 to 10 people coming together to own one short-let apartment for between 14 to 20 million naira. And this apartment brings an income of between 500 to 800,000 naira every single month. What it means is that if 10 people own this apartment, every single month you are making between 50 to 80,000 naira every single month. Now times it by 12, and you see how much your 2 million naira have been able to get you. Now imagine if you do this consistently, like you do this like every month or every quarter, you bring 2 million naira and another 10 people bring to 2 million naira. Imagine the kind of income you'll be making from your apartments. Like, just imagine it. I know you'll be asking, okay, how can I get 7 to 10 people that I can trust to make this kind of investments with? There are two ways. One, you can either scout your inner circle and see people that are interested in this kind of investment and start making this kind of investment with them. Or two, I will recommend this one if you are just starting and you have no one to start this investment with. I will recommend you, first of all, join the Passive Income Bootcamp. Yes, the Passive Income Bootcamp is a 3 days intensive passive income workshop. We are going to be learning strategies to invest for consistent passive income. We are going to be breaking down every strategy you can start investing with and make consistent income. Not only that, we are going to be sharing opportunities, unique opportunities you can start investing in that are good, genuine, and also very, very profitable. After the boot camp, we are also going to be having a post boot camp support where if you're a participant of this boot camp, you gain free access to the investment club. In the investment club is where we gather money together with other people and invest in strategic investments. This way, even with little capital or small capital, you can start investing in things that will bring you consistent passive income with other people. So you don't just learn how to invest, you will learn where to invest, and you can start investing with all the support you get after the boot camp. If you want to be part of this boot camp, the waitlist is already open. Check the link in the description to join the waitlist. If you are in the waitlist when the registration opens, you are going to be enjoying exclusive special bonuses as a waitlist member. Go ahead and click the link in the description to join the waitlist, and I'm going to see you on the other side. Now tell me, which of these three investments do you want to start right now? Let me know in the comment section. Let's discuss more in the comment section. And if you have any other question about any of these three investments I just told you about, just drop in the comment section. I'm going to be responding to your comments as well. Let's just continue our gist in the comment section. Okay, are you here to subscribe and join this family? Are you here to subscribe and join this community? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because my goal this year is to make sure you have many things that bring you consistent passive income before the end of 2025, and of course beyond. So if that is what you want, if that is what you want to achieve this year, then subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the very next video. God